Wow, look at these beauties. What kind of fishes are these? Wow, they are in an aquarium. They are glowing. I don't know how, I don't know why. These aren't eels. Wow, a tiny little lobster, I think. Tiny little lobster. And see the beauty of these fishes. Wow, they are glowing in the light, man. I don't know how they are glowing, but I think their fins reflect the light. But I never seen these kind of fishes. They look like they came from a fantasy movie. And this aquarium setup is very amazing and awesome. See, tiny little lobsters. Wow, I never seen anything like this. I'm in a big hospital named PLEXUS in Bangalore. I have never seen such a beautiful aquarium. So I'm capturing this. Wow, they look like gems, man, glittering gems. Okay, so beautiful. They look like they came straight from a fantasy movie.